morning, it's Friday and I'm drinking a grapefruit juice. I mixed it with sparkling water and it's so nice. It's a leftover from a party. But I double checked, there's no alcohol in here. I wanted to film a little weekend vlog. Now I have to work a bit and later today I have an appointment to check on my contact lenses because I did order the contact lenses myself and it's the same brand as the lenses I had before, but I switched from daily lenses to 2-week lenses. And yeah, I just wanted to make sure that I, didn't order anything wrong and they will check on my eye. In the evening, I'm going to an Indian restaurant with girlfriends from my primary school, which is very, very cute. I'm looking forward to that. And tomorrow, Carlo and I are invited to a wedding of our friends. So yeah, I'm gonna take you along. I think it's gonna be such a nice weekend. I'm in the park right now for a run and it's so calming and beautiful. I think I really need to sometimes just calm down my nervous system, especially if I was working on my desk all day long. This is my fit and I'm gonna go now. I'm on the way to the dinner with the girls now and I'm so looking forward to it. I'm really hungry. We are going to the wedding now and there's gonna be a surprise. We are now on the party bus and we got this.
O, E und Ö. Ja. Doch. Getränke am Start, Rhabarberlimonade, Apfelsaftschorle, Fassbrause, Zitronenlimonade sowie Bitterin ist heute Jutta Hartmann, ihres Zeichens hauptberuflich Kneipenwirtin aus Berlin-Neukölln. Wird angebaut hier. Wir können nicht fassen, gleich werden wir den Dschungel sehen. Damit wir uns hier erfolgreich noch ein bisschen weiter nach Mittagsverkehr kämpfen können. Durch Fuji Clara, flieg mit ins Nirvana, sing Hare Hare.
It's a bit later now and we had a break about like 4 hours. So we went to a bar and we welcomed the grooms and afterwards we went on a party bus and it was a surprise. So fun and no one knew. I never went on a party bus in Berlin and we just drove through Berlin and then there was a comedian. It was a very successful surprise. And for the evening there's a party now at the place of the grooms and and they have a motto, and the motto is the Eurovision Song Contest, which is normally super colorful and glittery, and there's a lot going on. They said wear something colorful. So I just put on this t-shirt, which has a lot of colors on there, and this red shiny shirt on top. Maybe I will do it like this or something. And I was thinking that I could put on some red glitter or like silver glitter on my face, like around my eyes. Maybe the red, right? Because it's matching with the shirt, but I don't know if it's too much. I normally always go with the silver. Maybe I can also play with both colors and just mix them. This is going to be a little bit difficult, but I'm using my camera as the mirror here. Okay, this is a bit low and very small. Yeah, like this. With the red, I can also put the red besides it. Okay, I did it off camera, but I did put it like this now. 3 dots on each side here, and then a red dot in the corner of my eye. So yeah, I think it looks cute. I just added a little small detail. I did put like stars on my head. Or is it too much? It gives me like Avatar vibe, you know, the comic show Avatar. But I kind of think it's a nice detail for tonight. Time to go home. I'm so tired. I'm on the way to my parents now. Yesterday was so fun. Like, I had the most fun ever. Everyone was dancing in the living room. And I'm going to have a chill Sunday at my parents' place. But another thing is that I had like the craziest dreams. Like, I don't know what it is. It was full moon and I'm also on my period. I don't know if it has any to do with that, but my dreams were so vivid and felt so real. I always dream of one park. Like every few months I have this pattern of dreaming of this park. And I actually never went to a park like that, so it's not like a real park. I'm always thinking like, do I know this park? But it's like, I don't know, it's like a pattern in my dreams. And sometimes I'm like, is that normal? But you know, when you dream of the same places all the time, they feel like real places. They are like little worlds in your head. I'm at my parents right now. I also brought my journal from home and I'm going to journal a bit. And I found those cute little glittery pencils, like in the cutest colors. So maybe I can do a little sketch or something if I feel like it. I didn't journal in a while. It's like something I really love to do, but I don't always find time for it. And this is already my 18th journal. I also got this cute little butterfly sticker here, which my friend gifted me for my birthday. And yeah, normally I always just do like 3 things or 5 things I'm grateful for. And I mostly do it in bed in the evenings. So sometimes I'm almost asleep and I'm just like, grateful for, and then I just write it down with my eyes almost closed, and then I fall asleep immediately. This is what I usually do. Maybe I will write down what I dreamt, because do you know those days when your dreams still affect your day, and you know you have this feeling in your dream and it just stays by your side throughout the whole day? I do have this feeling today. We are having dinner now. Yummy! I am now on my way home and I'm going to end this weekend vlog here. I hope you enjoyed it. See you in my next one. Bye!